70 years from today, Indian forces invaded the disputed region of Kashmir and hold on to it till this day. This year, the world could not turn a blind eye to their brutalities, thanks to the Pakistani embassies dotted around the globe. Be it Afghanistan, South Africa, Brussels, Dubai, France, Iran, Malaysia, or Austria, Kashmiris and Pakistanis were standing hand in hand to raise voice against Indian brutalities in Kashmir and for demanding United Nations resolutions on the issue. United Nations headquarters at Pretoria saw Pakistanis and Kashmiris voicing their demands by handing over a memorandum of UN resolutions on Kashmir, which, courtesy of India's non-cooperation, remain unimplemented. Screening of Kashmir documentary attracted over 150 people at Pakistan High Commission in Kuala Lumpur. Surprisingly, Yemeni and Kashmiri students were seen advocating for the rights of Kashmiris. Pakistan origin member of European Parliament Amjad Bashir took to the streets with hundreds of Kashmiris in Brussels to gather support for the Kashmir cause. EU-Pak Friendship Federation Austrian chapter gathered in front of UN Office Vienna and raised voice against the atrocities of Indian Army in Kashmir. Local Afghans teamed up with Pakistanis and Kashmiris in Kabul to call upon India to cease its illegal occupation of Kashmir. Numerous Iranian scholars, journalists, and university students gathered at Pakistan Embassy in Tehran in support of Kashmiris. Veteran Iranian journalist Nazir Yamin Madoki presented a poem on Kashmir, and Iranian scholar Dr. Abdul Rafi Heikigat and senior Iranian journalist Mohammad Reza Ahmedlo expressed support and solidarity with the Kashmiri people. EU-Pak Friendship Federation France chapter led by Shahibzada Atik and Raja Mazhar rallied up a demo at Eiffel Tower to highlight the issue of Kashmir and condemned the ever-increasing brutalities of Indian military against the Kashmiris. Watching this rock-solid support to Kashmiris from Pakistan, Indian extremists at King's College London were seen creating ruckus at a formal function. This year, sending shockwaves into the Indian power corridors, renewed calls of independence literally shook the thick heads who have been trying to curb Kashmiris with force. The internationalized issue of Kashmir has now left Indian policymakers with very limited options.